In this video, we're going to do some examples on evaluating algebraic expressions and equations. But before we do that, let's talk about what a variable is. A variable is, as you know, usually a symbol. Usually we use a letter like X, Y, or Z that we use to represent an unknown quantity. Now, when we combine these variables with our numbers, some grouping symbols such as parentheses, and operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, that's when we form an algebraic expression, such as the ones that you're seeing here below. We're going to take our algebraic expressions and evaluate them for x equal to 4. Our first expression is 7x, which means 7 times x. So we're going to substitute in 4 for x, so we get 7 times 4, and as you know, that's 28. So our expression 7x is equal to 28 when x equals 4. Our second expression, 5 over x minus 3, you know that bar means division, but we're going to substitute in our 4. So 5 over 4 minus 3. Then we're going to simplify 4 minus 3 as 1. So we have 5 divided by 1, which is 5. Our third expression, we're going to once again substitute in 4 where the x is. Then we have to simplify this fraction in the parentheses. We know that 6 is 3 times 2. We know that 4 is 2 times 2. And so we're going to cancel the common factor of 2, top and bottom, numerator and denominator. And that's going to leave us with 3 halves, 3 divided by 2. So 3 minus 3 halves, or 3 halves is 1.5. So we can write here 3 minus 1.5. And 3 minus 1.5 is 1.5 or 1.5. You can leave it in any form. Now we're going to look at algebraic equations. So these are two expressions separated by an equal sign. And in this first one, or in these two, we're going to find the value of y when we're given the values of x and z. The first equation says y equals 3xz when x is 2 and z is 0. So we're going to substitute in y equals 3 times 2 times 0, which is 0. Our second equation says y equals x over z when x is 9 and z is 3. So substituting, we get y equals 9 divided by 3, and that's equal to 3.